This is the reason why I like trading gold, guys. Hit for me that like button there as we end the week. Today's Friday, guys. We end the week with the NFP news. So yeah, even though it wasn't that spiking, it didn't spike like usual, but at least we managed to double this account. So yeah, just in today news, I went fully technical analysis trade. I was using technical analysis tools, no indicator, but I decided to use support and resistance combination with support and resistance with trend line, which is the channel. So here, let me just break it down for you, the reason why I bought gold. Let me just ask you to hit for me that like button, then like the video. If this is your first time to watch G News on YouTube, let me just ask you to hit for me that subscribe button, then subscribe to the channel so become part of the community. So we are killing gold after NFP. I send this signal in my free Telegram group. If you are not in my free Telegram group, check the link in the description of this video. You can join immediately. So we are all killing gold right now. So the reason of this buy is I bought after the breakout of the resistance C. So yes, here you can see gold. We have a support. We have a trend line here. We have the upper trend line and the upper trend line and the lower trend line. So here I was having two options. It either I sell if the news push gold price down and then it break the lower trend line, and then I could sell immediately. That was my first option. My second option was if news push the price of gold up and then it break the upper trend line, I buy immediately. And to confirm it very well, here we had also a resistance. If it also break the resistance, that will be a very clear confirmation to buy gold immediately. So that is what happened. And yeah, here also we had a support level. So those were my two options, guys. As a technical analysis trader, I've been waiting gold throughout the day to see what will happen and so on. So, and after the news, finally we came to buy it and we are making good profit. So let me just ask you to hit for me that like button there, and if this is your first time to watch me on YouTube, hit for me that subscribe button, and subscribe to the channel so become part of the community. So I'm going to teach you some secrets here, guys, some philosophy behind trading with technical analysis tools, guys. You'll hear a lot of people, they'll tell you online that no, trend line does not work, support and resistance does not work, guys. But let me tell you, these tools, they've been used by a lot of traders around the world that they became billionaire, that they started forex before you. You understand? They started forex trading before you, so they've been using these tools and they make money through this. Now you are coming 2025 or 2026, you are telling people trend line does not work. Trend line works if you know how to use it. You need just knowledge in order for you to make money through the strategy. But any strategy that works for you, of course the aim is to make money in forex. Any strategy that works for you, of course you can use it. That is good for you. So do not undermine any strategy. Either it's indicators, if they're trend line, if they're support and resistance, if it's a smart money concept, if it's Fibonacci, any strategy that you are using, as long as it gives you profit, guys, stick to that strategy and you shall make money. You shall make living out of it. So yeah, with trend line, remember we have two ways of trading trend line and support and resistance. The first way we trade trend line, it's either by bouncing the price when it bounce on the trend line, which means it failed to break trend line. If it's bouncing, we can take an action. And also we do trade with this strategy if there is a breakout. if we have a breakout of trend line like what happened here, after the breakout, we buy immediately. And the good way of trading with this strategy, it's always after the breakout. Trust me, after the breakout, there always be money, good money in after the breakout. So you should be there to watch when the price break your trend line, which is this one, guys. There will always be, meaning buyers, they are coming very strong, orders that are being activated. So it's time for you to buy now. See what is happening right now. I'm able to make already 1,700 profit just from 1,000. So you need to wait. By bouncing, what I mean is, if the price could fail to break this trend line, it hit the trend line and we have a reversal pattern that confirmed to sell immediately, we could sell and put the stop loss above this trend line. That is the strategy of trend line, how it works. And how to draw the trend line. By drawing the trend line, this is what we call trend line. This line here, this red line, that is our trend line. So when you are drawing it, you must make sure also you are drawing it in a correct manner or correct way. So your trend line, for it to be valid, it must have at least 3 touches, which is this first one here, second and third. That trend line is valid. 3 touches or more, it's valid. Like also here we have 1 touch, second touch, third touch, 4 touches. So that one is valid. In order your trend line to be valid, it must at least have 3 touches or more. But if your trend line is still having 2 touches, 1 touch, it's not a valid trend line. So another condition is, whenever you're drawing a trend line, do not force it. Do not force trend line, guys. Trend line, some trader, they make trend line to work for them, but just draw it as a professional. Like for example, let's say, because I want to draw my trend line here because I want it to touch the wick. No, it's not like that. This trend line here is not valid because I'm breaking the body of the price. It's not allowed. So my trend line have to be right here. My trend line have to be right there on the wick. So once you have those conditions, trust me, trend line will work for you. And as well on the support and resistance level, like this is the resistance, this is the support level. I'm doing this analysis on the phone to allow those people through the phone to get some informations. Those that they don't have laptop, you don't need to be discouraged because you don't have a laptop, so you cannot do analysis, technical analysis. You can still do it, guys, through your mobile phone. It doesn't matter. So how do you draw your trend line on the mobile phone? Just maybe perhaps there will be anybody watching me does not know how to draw it. You can just you click here on this icon here, that one, it's where we are going to click. So here we have everything. This is the trend line. You look here, I mean here, this is the trend line that you use. You click on the trend line and then you draw any trend line that you want. As we said, must respect at least to have 3 touches for it to be a valid trend line. And the support resistance as well, you click on the same area, then you come here on the plus sign. After you come there on the plus sign, you use here horizontal line. This is horizontal line. You can use it on to draw your support and resistance, or if you want to draw like mine, you can use this rectangle. On the mobile phone, you use rectangle. That is correct. You can also use this one to draw your support and resistance. So yes, guys, that is it. This is resistance. The one below is support, the one above is resistance. So it's very simple, guys. And today news all was that it was I only needed to be patient with the price to see. I didn't enter once NFP was released immediately. I couldn't enter because the reason why I didn't enter, because I knew there will be manipulation. I have to wait for the price and see what happened. NFP tried to fake a bit like it's selling. After it's hit this trend line, the lower trend line, the price shoot up. That is what happened. That's why we always say patience is the key in forex trading, guys. Let me see you in the next video. Don't forget to join the free Telegram group. I send the link in the description, and my VIP group, guys, they are not available. I delete them because they were used already by scammers that they were using my number, so they decided to be using my VIP signals group. So I decided to delete all of them, and until when I reopen the VIP group, then those VIP members, they can rejoin. But as for now, everybody should join the free Telegram group where I share all the signals, even the news. I'll be sharing them there until again we open the new Telegram group. And don't also fall in wrong hands, guys. There are a lot of people on TikTok, Telegram, they are using my name and my even the other time on TikTok I was surprised people, they're even using AI to manipulate my voice and my face to claim like they are genius. But I'm not, guys. I don't do any account management or any other stuff that involved you asking money. I don't ask for anyone money. We are here to trade, so don't be falling into wrong hands and then you lose money thinking that you are talking to genius. The only Telegram group that I have right now is in this free Telegram group, that the link you can find it in the description of this video. So guys, let me see you in the next video.